They say you're the best. I've sent you the website list to hack. But be careful with Magento too. Nobody could handle it yet.
June 2020 changed life for many e-commerce businesses. But why? Continue watching this video. Hi, this is Vladimir and we will dive into Magento to migration. With all its techie and business details, we'll learn how to avoid costly mistakes on the real case studies of the Magento to migration. But before we go, I have something for you. Do you want to know if your Magento 1 store needs to be migrated to the latest Magento 2 version? Our team has prepared the ebook to check this out. I have added the link below to take a look at the website's key metrics. And now let's hit the road! So, the Magento end of life was a long-planned event. In short, it brought not only nostalgic memories and marked the end of the popular e-commerce platform. To take the truth, it brought a lot more. Without new features, Magento 1 will in no time become outdated. No security updates mean no to PCI compliance and security to your website. No quality fixes means that its functionality will not get any kind of improvements. The future for Magento 1 store seems very dramatic, with a lot of challenges and threats. Magento made the decision to sunset Magento 1 platform for a number of reasons and not make life of e-commerce business challenging how somebody might think. They were far from it. The reasons for the migration are numerous, and let's uncover them in detail. First and foremost, our Magento 1 stores are plagued by serious security issues. Magento 1 websites are not secured at the end of life. Using Magento 1 is like using Windows XP. You can surely use it, but it not guarantee the security for your customers and your business. For example, the lack of patches that you can see on the screen right now means a huge risk to Magento store. If you are owner of Magento 1 store and you don't have installed them to your website, that means that the hackers can easily create an admin account and get the full control of your website. Security stands among all other reasons why our clients have decided to migrate to Magento 2. I'm wondering, have you already faced some security challenges after the Magento end of life? Or do you think that Magento 1 is still the best fit for your business? Share your experience in the comments below. Another concern resulting in the low security is inability to pass PCI compliance. Without security updates, you won't be able to pass PCI compliance requirements, thus risking to lose all the payment solutions like Visa and MasterCard. The PCI non-compliance involves high penalties that business infringes regulations must pay, from $5,000 to $50,000 for small companies and $10,000 to $100,000 for big ones. That must be devastating for some companies because they don't have such a budget. One of our clients whose project is still in development have decided to migrate to the latest Magento 2 version. because many payment solutions have stopped the support of their Magento 1 extensions. Support services for these solutions couldn't guarantee the seamless work for the integrations, so our client didn't want to have any problems with the PCI compliance, right they are, and lose the payment methods. So what was the solution? Magento migration from 1 to 2, of course! If you have any doubts about the importance of PCI compliance for your e-commerce business, you can check the extensive guide about the dangers of it right below the video. Magento 1 cannot boast high performance. This version of the platform is notorious for being low-performance solution. Magento 2 offers a faster page load speed in comparison to Magento 1. Magento 2 enabled to be 25% faster in the auto box and 52% faster in the add to cart time. Not just impressive but also beneficial for your e-commerce business. Magento 2 can easily process 135k more orders per hour than its predecessor. You can easily check whether or not your website is underperforming with the help of such tools like Page Speed Insights, Test My Site and Web Page Test. We provided detailed instructions and key metrics in our ebook below. What about some real cases? Fashion Eyewear, one of the UK's most trusted stores selling eyeglasses, come to our team with the same problem. Magento 1 page load speed harmed their sales. Slow and unstable performance, slow loading speed and frequent failures. Such key metrics were impossible to fix in a Magento 1 website. So the decision was to migrate to the latest Magento 2 version. The results that Magento 2 migration brought our clients are mind-blowing. Overall website performance grew by 30%, product page upload speed increased by 2%, and now the website meets all the business needs and PCI compliance requirements. Magento 1 cannot keep up with the rapid changes. After end of life, Magento 1 cannot offer new functionality and features as compared to Magento 2. You can still use it, but you won't conquer the new heights. Ice Machine Plus is US seller of commercial kitchen equipment and food supplies is another great example of what you can achieve migrating to Magento 2. Our cooperation started in 2012 when we developed the Magento 1 store for them. The time went on and our clients have noticed that they cannot keep up with the competitors due to the limited functionality. They decided to look to a Magento 2 migration services to broaden their functionality and to get better integration with the NetSuite ERP, to implement a flexible price output system based on different categories and automatic creation of category pages. Magento 2 migration helped to boost website performance by 2 and helped to save hours of manual work. As you can see, Magento 2 migration is not about being flashy and moving to the latest Magento 2 version. It's all about PCI compliance, security, functionality, speed and conversion. You can find all the information about each case in our full case studies. I have added the links for you under this video. To sum up, let's recap everything we talked about in this video. If you decided to stay in Magento 1, don't forget to check your key metrics of your website. You can find them in the ebook we attached, and also discover how your Magento 1 website will stand against the Magento 2 competitors. If you decide to migrate to Magento 2, here is the key benefits for you: regular updates, security patches and quality fixes, full PCI compliance provided by Magento, significant website speed boost, and great customization possibilities. Huge choice of powerful Magento 2 extensions and themes. Don't forget that Magento 1 extensions are already deleted from the Magento marketplace. You can also transform your website with progressive web applications. They were developed by Magento 2 PWA Studio, and it will make your website even more faster and will give your customers the exceptional experience. If you're interested in progressive web applications, check the video where I explained the basis of e-commerce PWA and Magento PWA. Don't forget to check the resources I provided in this video description, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to talk with Magento experts about your Magento 1 or Magento 2 store, I added the contacts below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video for e-community.